And a good afternoon. Today we're going to change grips on our Smith & Wesson SW22 Victory semi-auto pistol. Now the grips on here, they're alright. They're okay. But these Tandemkross Hive grips, well, they take it up to another level. Alright, so let's change this out. Notice that Hive? That's pretty. That's a grip. Alright. First things, as always, when working on firearms, safety. Safety first. Make sure empty. Empty. That is empty. Good. Alright, now tools to do this. A 3/32 Allen. No big deal. So, take out the screws. Now a few things you'll have to look at and check. Alright. This release can come out, so be careful with that. There we go. That's better. Make sure your safety is okay. Spring there, okay. Alright, that one's done. Now on this side, you've got a spring that you don't want to bend. So that's more for when you install. But be mindful of the force of the spring right there. That one. In and out, in and out for the mag release. Okay, and this is the safety, magazine safety. Some people opt to take out this magazine safety. If you remove the magazine, you will not be able to fire the firearm. That's what this does. So some people take that out in case they drop a mag or they're just shooting one. No mag in there. Your preference. I'm not going to take it out here. Now, as I said, careful of that spring. It comes in from this way, and you'll see little indents there. So, we'll want to tighten the top screw. Well, actually, we won't tighten it. We'll put it in there. The top screw first. Remember that spring. Let's don't bend that. The top screw first, a little to the side. We'll get into that in a minute. Of course, the fun part will be aligning that hole. Magnetic. That look good? Yeah, it looks good from here. Come on, get in there. Of course, it gives me trouble when we're doing video. Now, as I said, I'm not going to tighten this up yet. And we're still to the side. There. Now we're in that little indent. Now you can tighten that. Well, so you get it in the hole. Do. These grips look good. Alright, our other side. Wow, do they look good. Almost all of my handguns, I've done something with the grips. My hands, they're just too large for a lot of these grips. And the control is just so much better. Finger grooves. Oh yeah. Now, you should keep an eye on these screws. If they start to loosen up, they shouldn't, but if they start to loosen up, you may want to consider a little Loctite blue. And that is a beautiful grip. Oh, yes, that feels good. With a proper two-handed grip. Remember, don't do this, no teacupping, like that. End tight to the tang, thumb going this way, knee to the hand there, finger underneath the trigger guard, and that way you will achieve the same grip every time you pick up your firearm, and that will help your consistency. Alright, that is one beautiful grip. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'm poor. And if you want to send me a sack full of $20 bills, I won't argue that either. So, until later. Oh, by the way, this is the first video, tabletop video, in my brand new studio. And it's still under construction, but I couldn't wait. I had to try it out. So tell me what you think. Alright guys, it's been great. Later.